Today in Yemen, people are in urgent need of help. Children are dying of malnutrition and 7 million people don't know where their next meal is coming from. At least 10,000 children have died from preventable diseases such as pneumonia and diarrhea. In western Yemen, a recent cholera outbreak is placing even more lives at risk. Despite the conflict in Yemen, life-saving humanitarian aid such as food, water and medical supplies is being provided. But we urgently need more donations to prevent thousands more lives being lost. Tonight on TV, you'll see some powerful images highlighting the current situation in Yemen, and I urge you to tune in. If you can donate £5, please text ASSIST to 70000 or call or go online to donate more. £25 could provide a month's life-saving food for a malnourished child. Thank you for your generosity.